Vegan and gluten-free custard tart recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of gluten-free flour, 1/2 a cup of coconut oil melted, 1/4 a cup of maple syrup, 1 can of coconut milk, 1/2 a cup of cornstarch, 1/2 a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of turmeric for color, fresh berries for topping. Preparing the crust. Combine gluten-free flour, melted coconut oil, and maple syrup in a bowl. Press the mixture into a tart pan to form the crust. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Making the vegan custard. In a saucepan, whisk together coconut milk, cornstarch, sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of turmeric. Cook over medium heat, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens. Assembling the tart. Pour the vegan custard into the pre-baked crust. Allow it to cool and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Top with fresh berries before serving. I have left the recipe for this vegan and gluten-free custard tart recipe in the video description. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel for more vegan and gluten-free recipes.